For virus is the attack used to trick people into installing questionable software. To remove it, follow this guide. Press the three-dotted button on the top right corner of the screen and select Settings. Scroll to the bottom and find On Startup. Press Opens the new tab page, and then click Advanced. Scroll to the bottom and press Restore Settings to their original defaults. Then press Reset Settings. Chrome browser should be clean now. If it's not, continue to the end of this video, where virus removal is explained. Firefox cleaning is similar. Press the hamburger icon on the top right corner of the Firefox window, and select Options. Then select Home from the list on the left, and change Home Page and New Windows to Firefox Home. Press the hamburger icon again, select Help. Then select Troubleshooting Information and press Refresh Firefox twice. Firefox should not show the alert. If it does, skip to the end of the video with removal instructions. Now, if Edge browser shows this notification, follow these steps. Press the three-dotted button on the top right corner of the window, and select Settings. Then change selection and open Microsoft Edge with To Start Page. All three browsers should now be clean and not show the devious notification. However, your PC still might have a virus inside, so it's highly recommended to scan your PC with a reputable anti-spyware software. To do that, open to-spyware.com website, find Malwarebytes anti-malware review, and press Download. Wait for download to complete and open the downloaded application. When prompted, click Yes. Then select your language and click OK on the installer. Click Agree and install. Wait for the installation to complete, and press Finish. Press Scan now and wait for the scan to complete. When the scan is finished, select all items and click Quarantine Selected. That is it. Your PC is clean now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our guides channel.